Ki jongteng ngidan ki research scholar ki badan ki tiar ki ngap test ka soil. Imagine ada pidi ki nongrap. Imagine if you are farmers and your soil is contaminated. I mean the food we eat will be contaminated. When you insa our DNA will start changing. If we give birth to the next generation, our babies will be deformed. They're already deformed right now. Shillong situ bus nilai wat pinse I tangba karsbang nilai ki ambaba sung bahawa nung shendore ni wanong pau kerteng ni shiton kumniru ngimla ba ongi namar dani ongi ya phi de kitep ni sa shabe shno ni letan ki bre bu shu rap ni ngu shong hani ki traja kara di ki ni pang ga lo ban long to ba kimnot ban ya thok kerteng la deru ngamnot ban pi ki dojon kiru nama yo ki shabe shno. Who am I to do that, to publicize them when I cannot do anything for them right now? Even yarap ikitu gibreo kan kinongrap jangi hindrete tina yap kinongrap jat hindre jangi ko sa doja nakata jing ta ka don back pindale situ pinsala ngong ya pida ki investigation
seriousness nakala sarta
kana ka sorka ngamte ngasukran ni ka seriousness jangi gibreo situ te ka ta pala pinsa jauh ke umat
dan maksali ka seriousness ka sarta nei ki brio
ngamte ka seriousness ka sarkar tengi pemde nom tre sarkar ni tip sino ni ya kilo jangke
apa adu padan ni ban address ya
padan ero ya nothing tentang ki jing shendur tang Ramadan ki kamlet ceturo ki MLA lagi kamlet ceturo ki tang ki MDC ngai ba window ele ceturo tang ba window he knows a lot aktif adu menshwa ceturo tang ba na trimanta la itu jing kata te tip ki mano na district council ki ba NOC menshwa ki to ki la bakla te me te menta inde benshu dar jat mo di bentre ki kamke aba ki shai ya gari ki ba ko ya kato ada kala akta palat ikiti ki nongrap jingi ada kila long on the wrist ban track relocate spot Japan spot Chernobyl ki relocate ki priok ado like hosnam bahkan embiang to kamai mariang baka radiation ke jur palat Ndre dan isong Islam situ mengiru kalau hak yang ketalo di gitar siapa ngimlawan yo gitu ki gamma rays ndre ki rung baik nak do siapa lanang flop lanang tor ti dalam nilai ke health assessment situ la gimdan ki doktor ki babiang bapli gitu ngimla ban diagnose rute ki pang no insyaallah ka jap te kam kalau unfair kan when you abandon ye ki gitu ki para do para snam jungi. It's worse than Jaragura actually because the water is going down all the way to Bangla from the boring boreholes katua jab clear when it rains, when the wind blows, the dust particles get blown off and it gets into the agricultural land, and then the cows, the buffalo, cattle, fish, everything gets contaminated and it gets into the food stream. So all of us will get contaminated, whoever eats food from the ini ban test kundo ini ban test ka snami ki break umpi jena shaba properly scientifically independent assessment ban lab ki jing sha. Then when we have that data we take necessary action kan apa call
ini kayak immediate solution pan ban proses integration
ablik perkoi ka shwa ka ka batut nang to ka batut sikati kiwa doi ka posisi serani kor beri apa pli ki ban at least a warning should be given. Do not drink, do not cook, do not use that water unless it's clean. Hawan rak ka water source kan drunk bampat long contaminated mendai nak to katang ka batut atau teka long contaminated pa ibri ni nasaro kira ki jogi kira ari gitu ibri par ki mo di ko no la de ki mo bandi mo boleh gitu ki nang jingi par ki mo ngai ba ki di bante at least some awareness de ban om wanum di syo to ko om ani gitu ka jaka bala long pui pa wanum tu yin tung syo wan rang no syo way de ban don ki corrective measures kan de kan syo e to play sinai palate. We have to do something from our side. Nobody does anything from the government side. It's our responsibility, our collective responsibility, because we need to practice what we preach. Not only the Bible, all holy books talk about humans should be steward of the creation of the Creator. I mean, how can we destroy? We don't think about the future generations. We don't think about the environment. We don't think about the ecosystem, about the forest, about the waters. We are destroying everything. Actually, the more education we have, the more dirty we become. But why are they dumping all the stuff into the Wamkra? They know their roots. They take care of May Mariam. Jing dok jung kipa kimnal e ba plik teng siapa tang ban im ini menyerap ke nyeki penjengam ini ban sna ki kamru ki ba penjengam e kamai marian ai kami kena samla kam tam sinong kendo ban im ni kinongra tang kata ko wei ngila ban im bi ring ngila ajat ajat min rejuni dah